Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to use mint on face, easy method. Start by washing your face and patting dry, then gather fresh mint leaves, a small blender, and a carrier oil like jojoba or coconut. Crush 2 to 3 mint leaves into a paste, mix with 1 teaspoon of carrier oil, and apply a thin layer to congested or oily areas for 5 to 10 minutes before rinsing gently with lukewarm water. Now make a simple mint paste using fresh leaves, a small blender or mortar and pestle, and a carrier like yogurt or oil. Aim for a spreadable texture that stays in place on the skin without dripping. Mix gently until smooth, then transfer to a clean bowl and use a clean brush or fingertips to apply in thin strokes, focusing on oily zones while avoiding the sensitive eye area for best comfort and results. If you're enjoying the tips, please subscribe and like the video so we can keep sharing easy skincare ideas. Quick recommendation. I love the Oala water bottle because it keeps me hydrated while prepping and rinsing treatments, and it's handy on the go. Find the link in the description along with other deals if you want one. Thanks for the support. Check the description for the link, and now let's get back to the video. Apply the mint paste gently and evenly to the intended areas, keeping it off eyes and lips, and relax while it works for 5 to 10 minutes. If you feel strong burning or intense redness, rinse immediately and discontinue use. After rinsing with lukewarm water, pat dry and follow with a fragrance-free moisturizer. If you plan to go outside, add sunscreen to protect fresh skin from sun sensitivity and irritation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.